Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. So on the Aave chart, we might be dealing with a new impulse here to the upside. Very early days and too early to confirm. But it's the potential I highlighted yesterday to you, I think, in this video actually, and also to everybody on Discord and Telegram with a gold membership. Yesterday, I explained that of these lows, the Thursday lows, we might have a first impulse. And a three-wave move down. So we said, okay, if price gets into this orange support area, can hold $51 and break above the wave one high, we might be dealing with a third wave rally, then should get a fourth wave and a fifth wave to confirm that price has put in a lasting low. That 5-wave move, as you know, is always important to confirm a lasting low is in place. Then a 3-wave pullback, as indicated here in circle wave 2, would be the next entry point. However, it's not as easy as that, first of all. Now, while price produced a first potential impulse and a 3-wave pullback, we now, on the smaller time frame here, need to break above resistance. Resistance is $59. It's the 50% retracement level of the decline. That will be the first reliable indication that a low is in. It would still only be a 3-wave move up. So what I prefer to see then is a fourth wave, basically another higher low and a higher high in a fifth wave. I cannot give you support for the wave 4, but what you typically do, you're typically just tracking the 50% retracement of the low. Yeah. So at the moment, micro support would be $55. However, we haven't even reached a target for a third wave. What would be the target for this third wave? Condition is that the intraday low is holding. Okay. And as I just said, typically the $55 level would already be micro support, but ideally the intraday low is holding, or actually it's yesterday's low. Yeah, so we need to hold that $52.70 level. Then we can proceed further in the third wave. And the target for the third wave is a 1.618 extension level. It's actually at $64, $65. That's what it needs to reach actually to be a reliable third wave. Then we need to hold a fourth wave support and rally once more in a fifth wave. Then we have 5 waves up. That's what I'm tracking. But first of all, it needs to break above $59. So that's important. Overall, yeah, we were tracking a bullish scenario here on the Aave chart, on the Aave chart. But it came down a little bit too low. Yeah? I mean, it did eventually hold here this 78.6 fib level in the yellow support area. But it briefly, due to that liquidity or liquidation event that we had, yeah, it briefly broke below it, but never invalidated the white wave count. That's why it's still on the chart. But what I can tell you, if we break below yesterday's low, which is, yeah, basically here that $52 level roughly, yeah, then the yellow wave count will be in control and price will come down to around about $30. That's sort of what I would be expecting. At the moment, there are just a few levels to watch if anyone is focused on the upside here against that support of yesterday's low. And I highlighted them all. Plus, of course, this descending trend line. I mean, can you see that price is actually moving in a so-called descending broadening wedge? These are patterns that very often actually break out to the upside. Not always, of course, but it is a pattern where we sometimes see a reversal and price would then, however, have to confirm that with a move higher. So this is now really interesting. Obviously, also with regards to Bitcoin, Ethereum, as I said many times, I would not be surprised if we already formed a lasting low because the sentiment is just like that. It's very bearish at the moment. But I explain all of that stuff in the Bitcoin, Ethereum videos. It's just that we need 5 waves up first that we can work with, plus a break above resistance. And the same story here on the Aave chart. Yeah, that's my update about Aave. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.